2022, we celebrated 100 years of Dalton, and we've been able to do that in fabulous facilities that we're benefiting from past generations. Started our process with the master plan back in 2016, and looking at the whole school campus, incorporating the junior school, Hillingdon, Fiona, the senior school, and then breaking that up into smaller areas such as languages, science, music, art, and sport. Yeah, we have 7 projects in the pipeline. What we've always done since the inception of the master plan is stagger that process, that building process, to ensure that there's as little disruption as possible to our teaching and learning. When we started looking at the master plan, we spent quite a bit of time coming up with this idea of what are our principles of design.
There are lots of places to casually interact with one another and also more formally meet. And I think the school's ethos is to create this really communal sense of living.
You know, a landscape very much tells a story about the values of a school. So we look at the heritage and bring a sense of modernity and functionality to modern ways of learning.
A couple of other big parts to the master plan is ensuring that our new buildings have flexibility and they're really functional.
There's nothing grand to challenge the existing heritage building, but there's beautiful, elegant, fine elements added all around it.
We're a school. Our core focus is teaching and learning, and the focus has to be on what the girls are doing. Any design features are having that as the centerpiece of design.
I was thinking about using the old stair and imagining the girls kind of thundering up and down at mealtime and there being laughter echoing through. I hope the girls have the most beautiful time here.
We really want the students to come away from their education here with a memorable experience.
It's fostering a really supportive learning environment and a landscape that allows those experiences to happen. Connection and understanding promotes well-being.
We know every girl. We see them, we know them, and we grow them. It really is an exciting time for the school, not just from this year when we start building, but actually over the next number of years.